We have a very special car here. You Mopar guys will know all about it. This is an M code. The M in the VIN number on the dash designates this was ordered with the 440 engine. As a special order, it was sent to Hurst Performance. They had the 440s put in, brand new back in the day. Now the story is Mr. Norm, the famous Mopar dealer that hopped up all the cars, he asked Chrysler for a high performance Dart in 1967. They sent him one with a 273, and he said, "Are you kidding me? He wants a 383." They said it can't be done. So Mr. Norm did it himself. He put a 383 in a 68 Dart. Now to keep the momentum going, they stuffed a 440 in there. This car was not meant to have a 440, but they made 640 of them like this. This car has been beautifully restored. All of them were pretty much optioned the same. Bucket seats, console, all were automatics. This one here has been converted to a 4-speed. So this is the only one that I've ever seen. This is a real M-Code 440 converted to a 4-speed. 391 gear in the back. I can tell you, you're going to have a lot of fun with this car. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 classic cars for sale. That's where you'll find a price tag and a monthly payment on each one of them, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel as well. So it's a Dart GTS. It's got bulges on the hood, and I'm looking at a red mirror. I mean, this is just absolutely glass finish, absolutely straight. The hood is perfectly square and flush. This fender is absolutely pristine. All real nice as the Pentastar. The door is mint, lines up straight, clean. Let's see how it shuts. Opens very easily. Jambs are painted nice. Yeah, shuts with a nice clean thunk. No vinyl top, just a nice clean straight roof, clean quarter panels, the sail panel. All this is looking really good. All this is looking real nice. Even when I lean on it, I can just tell it's slick, like there's Teflon on the paint. So the body's looking amazing. The paint coat on there, I'll look it up. It's like R4, I think it's original color. All this is clean all the way down to the bottom, around the moldings, the gaps, right on the money. See how this side does, real nice. It shuts real nicely too. The sail panel, the roof, the door, the pillar, all looking real nice. So the body and paint is really, really sharp on this car. Windshield looks like it's been replaced. It's real nice and clear. The moldings and gasket around it are real nice. These are in good condition. They don't look new, but they look like they're good originals. This molding here looks nice. The grill, the bumper, everything up here, the emblem, that's all sparkling real nice. Has the correct antenna, nice and shiny. The rubber seals look like they've been replaced. Door handle's been replaced. Now it's sitting on the 14-inch poverty wheels. They're painted to match the car with the little dog dish cap in the middle. And it has reproduction Firestone red line tires. It has the GT Sport stripe around the tail end. Boy, the rear window is real clear. I'd almost say it's new. It has a Chrysler emblem on it, but I don't see any scratches. Real nice window and trim. The back panel is blacked out, and it looks to be in excellent shape, like a 9 out of 10. The bumper, everything back here is looking really good. It's a neat little car. The mirror looks new. Let's open it up, and then we will get to see that 440 stuffed under the hood here in just a minute. Maybe I'm crazy. The hinges squeak a little when you open it. I think that's part of the vintage charm. That sound is just part of it. It brings me back. Anyway, underneath here is painted real nice as the sticker. The jambs are painted. The quarter panels have been replaced. The weather strip is replaced. Inside, you can see a real nice, clean-fitting mat. It has a new gas filler tube. Underneath is all painted real nicely. Nice, clean metal. Probably been replaced. It looks awfully nice. It's a nice, clean trunk compartment. Yeah, when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. And yes, the windshield and the rear window are reproduction glass. They have the Chrysler emblem stamped on them. So the latches look like they're cleaned up or replaced. Weather strips are replaced. Inside, the black upper door part is painted black. The door panels and armrest and handles look new. GT Sport emblem looks to be very good original. Dash pad is new. The whole instrument panel is nice and clean. The bezels, the instruments all look very nice. Nothing's beat up or broken. Heater control panel, the spin dial, radio, all that's nice and clean. New glove box liner. So that's all real nice. Kick panels are real nice. Carpet's real nice. Has original seat belts. Now the console, it looks brand new. Looks like a reproduction. Has the 4-speed, and they even put the reverse light. When you put it in reverse on a 4-speed, that lights up to let you know you're in reverse. So when they converted it, they even did that. So yeah, this is all nice and new and clean. Seats have been re-cushioned and reupholstered. Look how nice they look. They feel just as good. The backs of the seat, the carpet, all looking real nice. You got the seat belts in the back as well. Wall to wall, it's reupholstered, looking real good. The rear shelf is redone. The inside window trim, the headliner, all that's real nice. Working dome light. Visors look like new. Mirror is real good, original. It has the optional deluxe 3-spoke steering wheel. So very nice, clean interior. Some bucket seats, console, and a 4-speed. So what we have here is a correct engine. It is date code correct. Even I see 69 on the intake. Casting codes are correct. It is a 440. The VIN number is stamped on the engine. It does look like a restamp, so I'm not saying it's a matching numbers engine, but it is a correct engine. It's done up real nicely. Even has reproduction Chrysler spark plug wires, the coil, the brackets, the carburetor, all that redone to look stock. The air cleaner with the pie tin, they call it, up on top. And then you can see the whole engine bay, reproduction hoses. All this is clean, painted, nice. Got the horns. The alternator looks fresh. Radiators nice and clean. Everything's clean, tidy. Everything looks proper. Battery is secured. Here's a fender tag, and it does say R4 for the red paint. Oh, it does not have power steering or brakes. I'm sorry. So it's manual steering, manual brakes. Wiring looks new. The electronic voltage regulator looks new. Wiper motor looks restored. Squirter's hooked up. Underneath the hood, the insulation's in place. All that looks nice. I almost forgot to mention these exhaust manifolds are rare as hen's teeth. They were made for these cars, and that's a correct set. You won't find those anywhere. Michael's going to show you how good this runs. It's a little car with a 440, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
Everybody, really excited about this one. It's an original, factory original GTS with the 440. It's rare enough in itself. 1-year only car, made in 1969. But I do believe most of them were automatics, and this one has the 4-speed manual, which makes it extra desirable and extra fun to drive. Really nice restoration on this one. The shop inspected it and did a handful of things like we typically do between service and detail. We had a bill of about $5,300 on it. Getting the thumbs up already. Not even like a quarter mile down the road from where we pulled out. Yep, when you're in a Hemi Orange 69 Dart, it doesn't take long to draw some attention. That is for damn sure. But this thing, man, it's great. Started right up for me, and I'm really excited to let her rip here. Let's see what she's got. Okay, guys. I was only like halfway in the throttle. She absolutely pulls so hard. That's 375 factory rated horsepower inside this light little car. And if you had this one back in the day, you were absolutely the man. This thing is freaking sweet. Let's see how it goes down the road. I feel like I could eat a sandwich and have a soda and it'll still be holding straight. Yeah, check out pictures of the undercarriage, nice and clean, everything fresh. And yeah, check out all the details on our website also. And come take it for a test drive if you'd like. No disappointments here.
So underneath the car is really sharp and fresh. All the suspension and steering looks practically brand new. That was all redone. The fuel system was replaced. The tank is still shiny and clean. They are manual brakes, but they are disc in front. So the brake system's been redone. It looks like a factory style dual exhaust, looks fresh. You look up at the motor, it is clean. The 4-speed transmission, it's an 833 4-speed, that's clean. And back is a 391 sure grip rear end. This combination, a 4-speed 391 and this motor in a little car, yeah, this thing should really scoot. Floors are all nice and solid and painted black. So go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get your Dart delivered home. And if you need financing or have any other questions, they'll help with that too. Thanks for watching.